Hi guys, welcome to my dart manipulating class. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to manipulate your dart, how to move your shoulder dart to the neck. So this is the armhole line and this is the bust line, under bust line here. So I'm going to tell you the essence of that. I have my dart of 2 inches wideness at the shoulder and also at the under bust. The essence of that is to create a room for the bust. So we are giving our dress dart in order to create a space for the breast. So from this paper now, if I should sew the dart together, you'll see that the bust line and the bust point will shoot out a little bit. That is creating a space for the breast. So imagine if I should sew the under bust dart together, it will shoot out more. So we are giving our dress dart in order to create space or in order to create room for the breast. So to manipulate that is very easy. So just pay attention to the video and you are going to find it very easy. So I'm going to locate the point where I want to move the dart to. Remember, the dart can be moved to any part of the dress. You can take your shoulder dart to the armhole, you can take it to the neck, you can take it to anywhere on the dress. So that is why it's called dart manipulation. You can manipulate it to anywhere. So but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be taking it to the neck. So the first step is to locate where on the neck do you want it to be. I want it to be at the middle of the neck, so I'm going to measure the neck round to get the middle. While measuring neck or any curve and shape, make sure that your tape is standing the way I place it. So here I have in 6.5, that is 6.5 at the measurement of the neck. So half of 6.5 is going to be 3.25. So at 3.25, that will be the middle of the neck. So I'm going to measure 3.25 and mark on it. After getting the point where you want the dart to be, so you are just going to connect from that point to the bust point. So simply connect from that point to the bust point and we are almost done with manipulating the dart. So I want to connect. You should use pencil so that you can clean it at any time, but for you to see, I'm going to be using marker here. So but if you're still learning, feel free to use pencil. It makes it easy for you to clean at any time. So it's very simple. Connect from the bust point to where you want to shift your dart to. So in my case here, I'm shifting the dart to the middle of the neck. So I just simply connect from the bust point to the middle of the neck. So now the next step is for you to cut. Just cut from the middle of the neck to the bust point. That is the nipple point. So by cutting, we are almost done. After cutting, we are almost done. The next is for us to close the shoulder dart. To close the shoulder dart together, and the neck dart will be automatically created. As you can see, after closing the shoulder dart, the neck dart has opened by itself, and if we sew the neck dart, you see that the bust point will shoot out. That is creating space for the breast, still serving the same purpose as the shoulder dart as I showed you earlier. Even if I take the dart to the armhole, it will still serve the same purpose. That is one thing with dart manipulation. Anywhere you take the dart to, it will serve the same purpose, provided you follow the principles. So provided you know how to manipulate your dart very well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.